Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram photos on mobile. On your Instagram page, go to the bottom and click on the profile. So on your post, select a photo you want to download. And then click the three dots at the top and tap on link. So you copied the link of your photo. Now go to your home page and look for Chrome and type Save Insta. Open the first one. Then as you can see here, you can type the link or paste the link on your photo from your Instagram. After that, click on download. And that's it. You can now download image your photo. Click on that. Now at the top, file downloaded is done. Now I will check it. And that's it. I have downloaded my photo from my Instagram. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.